Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Street Trade coming at you again with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at an hourly chart of T-Mobile, TMUS, communication services. We don't trade communication services sector often, but when we do. Anyway, we had this going into our daily trade ideas. Well, actually, off our weekly. It wasn't. We didn't put a trade ideas on Monday. We never do. We just trade off our weekly that we post on Sunday. This is on our weekly one of I think we had like 7 or 8 on the entire list. Anyway, these guys been under some pretty significant selling pressure from since the second half of 2021. I think it's down like 40% or something, nearly 40%. It's just littered with dead cats along the way, and obviously going into the weekend, it gave us exactly that. We saw it. I had a little bounce at the beginning of December. Boys sold off into the end of the year, and then continue that selling pressure. So obviously that's one of the reasons clearly why we had it on our watch, and it gave us what we needed to see going into pre-market yesterday, which put it on our top of our weekly. So obviously we laid out a plan and did what we needed it to do. Again, you gotta plan your trade your plan. You know, if your plan is not coming to fruition, right? If it's not unfolding, if you're not seeing what you need to see, you have no business getting involved, guys, right? There's rules that you need to follow. You need to have a very strict set of rules, a process you follow, A, B, C, D. And if that is not unfolding, then you're in all cash, guys, right? And that's the discipline. We talk about that discipline all the time in this business. It's majority of it's psychological. I mean, reading a chart, anybody can learn that, right? We can learn zones and key levels. It's the psychology is what separates everybody, right? If you can get that in check, guys, you can use this as a personal ATM. It's going to take time. Got to crawl before you walk, or walk before you run. But you can get there, guys, if you stay persistent. So anyway, let's get into how we took it down, where we got involved, what we saw in the pre-market, obviously, and then what we needed to see, taking out levels to get us involved in how we got involved and what we got out. All right, so let's get into it and let's talk business. All right, guys.